Have you ever looked up into the night sky and wondered what secrets the vast cosmos holds? The universe is a grand mystery, filled with celestial bodies that stir our imagination and inspire awe. Our solar system, a tiny speck in this vast cosmic ocean, is home to a unique family of planets, each with its own story to tell. From the fiery inferno of Venus to the icy realms of Pluto, our celestial neighborhood is a fascinating place. Well, wonder no more as we embark on a journey through our solar system. Our first stop is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. This small rocky world is only about 1/3 the size of Earth. Despite its modest size, Mercury's composition is primarily heavy metals and rock, making it the second densest planet in our solar system next to Earth. Mercury is a place of extremes. Its surface temperatures can skyrocket to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, only to plummet to a frigid -290 degrees at night. This is due to its thin atmosphere which fails to retain heat. One of Mercury's most notable features is its swift orbit around the Sun. In fact, it moves so quickly that it completes one orbit every 88 Earth days, earning it the nickname the Swift Planet. But don't let its proximity to the Sun fool you. Mercury is a world that holds many secrets. Its surface is scarred by craters and deep, long cliffs, evidence of a tumultuous past. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury remains a world shrouded in mystery. Next, we journey to Venus, often referred to as Earth's evil twin. Despite being almost identical in size to Earth, Venus is a vastly different world. Its dense atmosphere, primarily made up of carbon dioxide, with a dash of nitrogen, creates an extreme greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising the planet's surface temperature to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. Its thick, toxic clouds reflect sunlight, making it the brightest object in our sky after the moon. But don't let its beauty deceive you. Those clouds are filled with sulfuric acid, a deadly substance that can burn through human skin. While Earth is a haven for life, Venus is a hostile world. Its extreme conditions are a result of a runaway greenhouse effect, where the planet's ability to absorb heat outpaced its ability to radiate it back into space. Venus, a world of extremes, offers a stark warning of the dangers of runaway climate change. Our next destination is Mars, the red planet. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is about half the size of Earth, but don't let its small stature fool you. This planet is packed with mystery and allure. Its surface rich in iron gives the planet its iconic reddish hue, a sight that stands out in our night sky. As we delve deeper, we learn that Mars's thin atmosphere, composed largely of carbon dioxide, is not quite hospitable to life as we know it. Yet intriguing evidence suggests that liquid water, a key ingredient for life, might have once flowed on Mars's surface, and some believe it may still exist underground. The possibility of past and maybe even present life on Mars has sparked countless missions to the planet, transforming it from a distant red dot into a potential future home for humans. Mars, a tantalizing target for future human exploration, continues to capture our imagination. Now, we venture into the realm of the gas giants, beginning with Jupiter and Saturn. First up, we have Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, similar to the Sun, but unlike the Sun, it has no surface. Instead, it's enveloped by thick clouds of ammonia and water, swirling in an ever-changing, vibrant dance of colors. The most iconic feature of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. Saturn, the second largest planet, is known for its stunning rings. These rings aren't solid, they're composed of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to massive chunks as large as mountains. But don't let Saturn's beauty fool you. Beneath its serene facade, it's a planet of extremes, with winds in its upper atmosphere reaching up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. Both these gas giants are starkly different from the terrestrial planets we've discussed before. While terrestrial planets like Earth have solid surfaces and are composed mostly of silicate rocks or metals, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn lack a well-defined surface and are primarily made up of hydrogen and helium. But here's an interesting fact. Both Jupiter and Saturn are thought to have a solid core at their heart, made up of heavier elements. Jupiter's core is estimated to be about 20 times the mass of Earth, while Saturn's core is around 22 times the mass of Earth. These gas giants also have a significantly larger number of moons compared to the terrestrial planets. Jupiter has 79 known moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Saturn, on the other hand, has 82 known moons, with Titan being the second largest moon in the solar system. Jupiter and Saturn, the titans of our solar system, remind us of the diversity of celestial bodies. From their monstrous sizes to their gaseous composition, their myriad of moons, and their iconic features, these gas giants truly stand as a testament to the wondrous variety and complexity of our cosmic neighborhood. Next, we journey to the outer reaches of our solar system to visit the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Let's start with the seventh planet from the Sun, Uranus. This cyan-colored giant is known for its peculiar tilt, with its axis almost lying in the plane of its orbit. The result? A planet that spins on its side, causing extreme seasons that last for 20 Earth years. Uranus is a gas giant, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, with a smattering of methane that gives it its distinctive blue-green hue. But don't be fooled by the term gas giant. Deep within its cloudy exterior lies a solid core, estimated to be approximately the same size as Earth. One of the most fascinating aspects of Uranus is its complex system of rings. Unlike the bright, easily visible rings of Saturn, Uranus's rings are dark and made up of tiny particles of ice and rock. Now, let's move further away from the Sun to Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet in our solar system. Neptune is slightly smaller than Uranus, but it's denser and has more mass. Its deep blue color is a result of its methane-rich atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Neptune is home to the strongest winds in the solar system, with speeds reaching up to 1,500 miles per hour. It also boasts the Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but it appears and disappears, showing us that Neptune's weather is incredibly dynamic and ever-changing. Both Uranus and Neptune are known for their moons. Uranus has 27 known moons, each named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Neptune's most notable moon is Triton, which spews nitrogen geysers from its polar ice cap, a sight that would be truly spectacular to behold. Uranus and Neptune, the remote ice giants, offer a glimpse into the frigid outer realms of our solar system. These distant planets remind us of the vastness of our solar system and the many mysteries it still holds. Finally, we reach the frontier of our solar system with the dwarf planet Pluto and beyond. Once the ninth planet from the Sun, Pluto has been reclassified due to its size and location in the Kuiper Belt, a region populated by icy bodies and comets. Despite its small size, Pluto is rich in diversity with mountains, valleys, and perhaps a subsurface ocean. Beyond Pluto lies the Kuiper Belt and the far more distant Oort cloud, both serving as the boundary of our solar system. These regions are filled with billions of icy bodies, remnants from the birth of our solar system. The Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud are like cosmic archaeological sites, holding clues to our past. The ongoing debate about what constitutes a planet keeps our understanding of the universe dynamic. Some argue for Pluto's planetary status, while others uphold its dwarf planet classification. From Pluto and beyond, the cosmos invites us to explore and discover. We've journeyed from the heat of Mercury to the icy reaches beyond Pluto. Along this cosmic voyage, we've discovered the swift movements of Mercury, the similarities and contrasts of Venus to our Earth, the red landscapes of Mars, the gigantic Jupiter and ringed Saturn, and the icy giants Uranus and Neptune. Our journey extended to the dwarf planet Pluto and even further into the mysteries of the cosmos. As we gaze at the night sky, remember that each point of light holds a world of possibilities for discovery and exploration. We hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know more interesting facts on more different topics, then please show us some love with a like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.